Far from the main roads of Nashik, India, a narrow and unassuming path unexpectedly branches off, leading to a dam and a dense grove of trees. There is little to hint at what lies hidden beyond this simple rural landscape. However, for those familiar with the route, this path serves as a prelude to the retreat that awaits ahead, the farmhouse in Mahiravani, an intimate space designed for the architect's family. For first-time visitors making their way through the wooded surroundings, the journey is shrouded in mystery. Eventually, the sloping stone walls of the site emerge from the ground, extending a warm and inviting welcome. The chirping of birds, the hum of bees, the gentle slope of the sheltering roof, and the refreshing feel of the terracotta floor underfoot create a seamless transition to the central courtyard. At the heart of the space, a Lotus water feature captivates with its serene aura. Surrounding it, an interplay of light and shadow unfolds, while the simplicity of the design enhances the overall experience. The contrast between the rustic texture of the stones, the natural warmth of terracotta and wood, the sharp edges of gravel softened by delicate foliage, and the tranquil movement of water all come together to evoke a unique sense of balance and positivity. A highlight of this space is the repurposing of a series of arches salvaged from an old wada and preserved by the architect for over 2 decades. These historical elements frame the space, which stands out for its absence of formal walls, doors, and windows, allowing seamless visual and physical connections between covered and open areas. Over 2 decades, the farmhouse underwent a transformation, becoming a home deeply integrated with nature. During this time, the architect acquired remains of another dilapidated wada. Brackets, beams, columns, and every piece of wood were salvaged, reassembled, and reused, maintaining the original design language of the site. To meet modern needs, contemporary elements were introduced, blending the timeless charm of repurposed materials with current construction techniques. Basalt, stone, masonry, and sloping roofs with photovoltaic cells combine tradition with modernity, ensuring the home's enduring legacy. The 3 R's concept, reduce, reuse, recycle, formed the core philosophy of this project, conserving and preserving materials from the 2 wadas. Four new rooms were added in the second construction phase, each with a distinct character, ensuring privacy and accessibility. 2 of these are master suites, while the other 2 accommodate guests. All feature private, greenery-filled courtyards, offering an intimate connection with nature without compromising privacy. Each room opens to a central courtyard, the heart of the home. Surrounded by water features and lush vegetation, traditional stone and wood elements create a space for the family to gather, share moments, and build lasting memories. This central courtyard reflects the spirit of family unity and the rich heritage of the site. The stones used in construction were quarried from a well dug on the property itself. The once arid and barren landscape was revitalized with the planting of approximately 5,000 medicinal, flowering, and fruit-bearing trees, creating a forest that serves as a sanctuary for birds and other wildlife. Rooted in the principles of sustainable architecture and minimalist living, the design reflects local architectural traditions and suits the region's composite climate. A rainwater harvesting pond connected to trenches and percolation pits aids in water recycling on site. Solar panels are employed for water heating and part of the electrical consumption. This farmhouse symbolizes everything the residents cherish, encapsulating a harmonious fusion of natural elements, the sky, earth, wind, and water, within a versatile and welcoming space. Designed to embrace every season and its gifts, it serves as a multifunctional retreat, perfect for relaxation, entertainment, and strengthening bonds with loved ones. Furthermore, it stands as a testament to creativity, fostering new perspectives on art, architecture, and living in harmony with the natural environment.